Interlock repair, interlock replace. My marketing guy told me I need to get an interlock repair jingle, so I've been working on a few. Let's see what I got. Take one. Nobody deals like Ottawa Interlock Repair. Oh, Dilawri, they took that one. No, they're a pretty big company. They probably wouldn't even notice. Okay, this one, let's go as, no, this one, I guarantee this one no one's ever done before. Ba 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 ba, I'm repairing it. No, it's completely different. I said I'm repairing it, not I'm loving it. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'll keep going. I'll keep going. Like a good neighbor, Auto Interlock Repairs. We don't even have that. No, it's because we're Ottawa. We're a good neighbor. We repair. We're not there. We repair. Auto Interlock Repair. We don't jingle. We repair.